Magnesium oil spray. Benefits for pain, sleep, and stress. Are you tired of relying on traditional remedies for pain, stress, or sleep issues? There's a natural solution that's gaining popularity in the holistic health world: magnesium oil spray. Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of magnesium oil spray and how it can help you feel more relaxed, sleep better, and even manage pain, all naturally. Let's get started. This information is intended for educational purposes only. Please consult your doctor if you have any medical issues. What is magnesium oil spray? Magnesium oil spray is a topical product that delivers magnesium directly to your skin, allowing it to be absorbed through your body. Unlike supplements, which have to pass through your digestive system, magnesium oil spray goes right to where it's needed. That makes it a popular option for people looking for quick relief and a natural alternative to pills. Key benefits of magnesium oil spray. 1. Pain relief and muscle relaxation. If you struggle with sore muscles, joint pain, or cramps, especially after a workout, magnesium oil spray can be a game changer. When applied to the skin, it's quickly absorbed, helping to reduce inflammation and relax tight muscles. Many people love it for post-workout recovery, but it's also great for relieving everyday aches and pains. 2. Improve sleep quality. If you have trouble falling asleep or staying asleep, magnesium oil spray might be your new best friend. Magnesium naturally calms the nervous system, helping you feel more relaxed and ready for sleep. Simply spray it on your arms or legs before bed and let it work its magic. Many people report falling asleep faster and enjoying deeper, more restful sleep. If you are enjoying this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. 3. Stress and anxiety relief. In today's busy world, who doesn't feel stressed? Magnesium oil spray has a natural calming effect that can help ease both stress and anxiety. Just a few sprays, and you can feel the tension start to melt away. It's an easy, natural way to support your mental wellness without reaching for pills. 4. Skin health and hydration. Magnesium is also fantastic for skin health. It can improve skin hydration, support elasticity, and even soothe irritation. If you have sensitive or dry skin, magnesium oil spray may offer gentle relief and support healthy-looking skin without harsh ingredients. 5. Boosting energy levels and reducing fatigue. Last but not least, magnesium oil spray can help boost your energy levels. Magnesium plays a big role in cellular energy production, and applying it can help counteract deficiencies that lead to fatigue. Start your day with a few sprays, and you may notice a difference in your energy levels throughout the day. How to use magnesium oil spray effectively? Wondering how to get the most out of your magnesium oil spray? Here are a few tips. Start by spraying it on larger muscles, like your calves, thighs, or arms. For best results, apply it right after a shower or bath, when your skin is slightly damp and ready to absorb. If you're using it for sleep, try applying it about 30 minutes before bedtime. Just remember, it may tingle a bit, especially if you're new to it. This is normal. Potential side effects and precautions. Although magnesium oil spray is generally safe, some people may experience tingling or slight irritation, especially if your skin is sensitive. If you're new to it, try a patch test on a small area first. And as always, consult your healthcare provider if you have specific health concerns or sensitive skin. FAQs about magnesium oil spray. Here are some quick answers to common questions about magnesium oil spray. Does it work immediately? While everyone's different, many people notice benefits within minutes for muscle relaxation, while other benefits, like improved sleep, may take a few days of consistent use. Is magnesium oil spray different from supplements? Yes. Magnesium oil spray is absorbed through the skin, bypassing digestion, which is helpful for those with digestive sensitivities. Can I use magnesium oil spray every day? Yes, magnesium oil spray is safe for daily use. Many people incorporate it into their daily routines, especially before bed or after workouts, to support muscle relaxation and overall wellness. However, if you notice any skin irritation, consider using it every other day and consult with your doctor. How much magnesium oil spray should I apply? You don't need a lot. Usually 5 to 10 sprays on large muscle areas, like your legs or arms, is sufficient. Start with a few sprays and gradually increase if needed. Listen to your body and adjust based on how it makes you feel. Where should I avoid applying magnesium oil spray? Avoid sensitive areas such as the face, broken or irritated skin, and delicate areas like around the eyes. These spots can be more prone to tingling or irritation. Why does magnesium oil spray sometimes cause tingling or itching? A tingling or itching sensation is common when you first start using magnesium oil spray. This can happen if you're magnesium deficient, and it usually lessens over time as your body adjusts. If the tingling is too intense, you can dilute the spray with a bit of water. How long does it take for magnesium oil spray to start working? For muscle relaxation and pain relief, many people notice effects within 15-20 minutes. Benefits like improved sleep quality may take a few days of consistent use as the magnesium levels in your body gradually increase. Can magnesium oil spray help with headaches or migraines? Magnesium can help relax muscles and reduce tension, which may relieve certain types of headaches. Many people find relief by applying magnesium oil spray to their neck, shoulders, or temples. However, always consult a healthcare professional for chronic or severe headaches. Whether you're looking for pain relief, better sleep, or a way to reduce stress, magnesium oil spray might just be the natural solution you've been searching for. If you've tried it, we'd love to hear your experience. Drop a comment below. See you in the next video.